The $1.2 trillion infrastructure bill has been signed into law and is expected to offer funding opportunities for the proposed Virgin Hyperloop 1 project in West Virginia. Executive Director of Vantage Ventures at WVU, Sarah Wheeler, said they will compete for infrastructure money with traditional rail services as an emerging technology. Hyperloop technology would transport people or cargo in ports at more than 600 miles per hour. $500 million Hyperloop certification center was proposed to be built on 800 acres in Grant and Tucker counties. The online announcement was made by Sir Richard Branson, founder of the Virgin Group, and John Chambers, a West Virginia native and former chairman of Cisco Systems and U.S. Transportation Secretary Elaine Chao. Whether it's through the Consolidated Rail Infrastructure and Safety Improvement Program, $5 billion allocated to it. Wheeler said work is underway now to prepare the first of what will be many grant applications. It begins seeing West Virginia as a place where advanced surface transportation has a home. The technology was successfully tested with passengers in a 500-meter vacuum tube outside Las Vegas in November of 2020. Company officials said the technology would reduce travel time between New York and Washington, D.C. to about 30 minutes. Wheeler said their first grant application will show the important role Hyperloop technology could play in supply chain. The use of a Hyperloop system to more efficiently move perishable goods, and most importantly, that will be food, Wheeler said. We do that because we see West Virginia has a role in closing the food insecurity gap in the country. West Virginia was initially selected from 17 other possible sites. At the time, CEO of Virgin Hyperloop 1 noted the partnership created to develop the presentation that ultimately brought the center to West Virginia. We think we have a significant leg up because of the way the state from our public partners, our private sector and academic sector came together around Hyperloop. But we still have to complete, Wheeler said. The certification center includes a 5-mile test track that develop standards for speed, turns and elevation changes. The site will also include an operations, maintenance and safety training center. The project and certification center is expected to create thousands of jobs and provide $48 million annual economic impact when completed. A new form of efficiency in a way that also reduces the carbon footprint of transportation, Wheeler said, and also help us to advance other innovations in adjacent industry. The Hyperloop Certification Center will serve as a research, development and testing site for the company as it works to perfect the Hyperloop concept. Hyperloop is a mode of high-speed transportation that involves moving people and goods in parts through a vacuum tube using magnetic and electronic propulsion technology to reach travel speed in excess of 600 miles per hour. The facility will help Virgin Hyperloop take the first steps towards taking its concept global. Their certification center that are building in Tucker country will service the worldwide efforts they have going on in India and Saudi Arabia and Europe. So when those countries are interested in understanding what Persian Hyperloop is, what the concept is, they will be traveling to Grand Country to take a look at the certification center. There is no better place than West Virginia for high-tech, innovative transportation solutions. The Hyperloop Certification Center will create thousands of new jobs in the region, and American-made technology will be produced right here in the Mountain State. We will develop cutting-edge American transportation technology that we will export throughout the world, Congresswoman Carol Miller said. The West Virginia Community and Technical College system will also play a key role in helping to create education and job training programs. With this development, the HCC will pave the way for an entirely new ecosystem, creating thousands of new jobs across construction, manufacturing, operations, and high-tech sectors, many of which Persian Hyperloop plans to source locally. Thanks for watching this video till the end, and do subscribe to the channel to get the latest update on construction videos around the world.